What is PPE? PPE is personal protective equipment, includes gloves, gowns, goggles or face shields and mask. Why is PPE important for the healthcare team? Important benefits of PPE: protects the healthcare professional by creating a barrier between them and infectious germs, protects patients by preventing the spreading of infections. The order for putting on PPE: at first putting on gown, then mask or respirator, next goggles or eye shield, and at last gloves. Personal protective equipment. The types of PPE vary with the type of precautions that are required. Contact precautions require a gown and gloves. Droplet precautions require surgical masks within 3 feet of the patient. Airborne precautions require a particular respirator and a negative pressure isolation room. The order for PPE removal. Taking off PPE. The process of taking off PPE: at first taking off gloves, then goggles or face shield, next gown, at last mask or respirator. Another way of taking off PPE: taking off gloves and gowns, then goggles or face shield, and at last mask or respirator. Reuse of N95 respirators. These are intended for a single use but can be reused in times of shortage. Reuse is acceptable if the masks maintain its structural and functional integrity and the filter is not physically damaged or soiled. Warning: if your hands become contaminated at any point during the PPE removal, you must immediately wash your hands or use alcohol-based hand sanitizer.
Welcome guys to my channel Vision Venture. So myself Pirish Kantikola. Today already you saw that how to take precaution during COVID pandemic time. Means already in the PPT they already mentioned how to wear masks, how to wear gloves, how to wear gown or any kind of PPT. Rest of the thing during clinic time, what should we use like a solution or other thing. Rest of the thing that I will show you. So at first we need two type of solution. One is hand sanitizer. Second is isopropyl alcohol. Hand sanitizer you all know what should we do. But rest of the thing, isopropyl alcohol, that thing I will tell you. So nothing to do. We have to clean our instrument like slit lamp, our trial frame, our retinoscope, or any kind of instrument. We should clean by isopropyl alcohol. And after finish every patient, after observe every patient, you have to always clean your hand by hand sanitizer. And rest of the thing, always you have to take one spirit cotton and one dry cotton. Spirit cotton you can use that to clean that your trial frame and that lens, and rest of the thing is okay. So right now I will show you how to take a slit lamp observation. So here you can show that one cover is there to protect that sneezing problem, to breathing problem. If patient sneeze or if patient blow anything, that time we can cover by this cover from observer and patient. So nothing to rest of the thing I will show you how to clean slit lamp and other thing. So we have to clean chin rest properly, then head rest, then you can clean others portion of the slit lamp where patient touch. Then always you have to dispose that cotton in that time. If you dispose after that time, what will be? Because someone if touch that cotton, then that person may be infected by that virus. And second, that is about slit lamp. If you saw patient by means if you put trial film, then you have to take trial film and hold like that, and you have to wash at first that temple, then that inside portion, and always you have to confirm that patient should not touch the trial film. If patient touch the trial film, then you have to clean whole trial film properly. So again you have to dispose, and rest of the thing, whatever lens you are using, that lens you have to separate in different place. After finish your refraction, you have to clean that lens properly. And always remember that if you clean that lens, should not touch in the middle portion with gloves, because what will be happen that gloves is rubbery type little bit, so that the lens become more dirty and more like shadowing on layer is coming out in that lens, so it's look like blurry image. So that is the lens portion I already completed, and this is the slit lamp portion I completed. And rest of the thing, when you finish your clinic or when you finish your private chamber, that time you have to remove at first your PPE kit, then you have to remove your mask, then after this what you have to do, that remove your gloves. So how to take your gloves? Don't do like that, just hold like that and turn like that. If you hold the whole gloves like that and removing like that, then what will be happen? If your finger touching any virus, then that virus is going inside your hand. So it's better to remove your hand gloves like that. So during this pandemic time, we can't do anything. We have to observe patient, we have to treatment patient. So we have to take this basic treatment, means basic precaution, means that proper PPE kit and proper solution. That if isopropyl alcohol is not there, you can do one thing, that you can add with saline water, 30% saline water and 15% that hydrogen peroxide. That solution also is better. So thank you guys. If anything is remaining, I will show you by the rest of the PPT. Thank you guys.